Hello children and welcome to today's session. We are going to learn about animals. We are going to learn today that how animals survive in different kinds of environment. हमें गर्मी ज़्यादा लगती है तो हम cotton clothes पहनते हैं. We switch on the AC, coolers and fans. What do these animals do? हमें सर्दी लगती है. We put on woolen jackets and sweaters. We put on the ACs. We sit in heaters or sit before fire. But what do these animals do? How do these animals adapt themselves to the environment? How do these animals bring in new changes in their body so that they can survive in different environment conditions? तो ये जो चेंजेस की हम बात कर रहे हैं जो बॉडी में होते हैं जिसकी वजह से एक एनिमल एनवायरनमेंट के अंदर बहुत अच्छे से सर्वाइव कर सकता है उन चेंजेस को बोलते हैं हम adaptations. So in this chapter we are going to learn about animal adaptations. We are going to learn about adaptations according to habitat. Habitat मतलब हम कहाँ रहते हैं. That is our habitat. Adaptations to food. different animals different खाना खाते हैं तो वो उस खाने के अकॉर्डिंगली अपने आप को कैसे अडेप्ट करते हैं. Adaptations for protection, extinct animals and endangered animals. Let us now understand adaptations based on various habitat. As I just explained, what is habitat? Habitat is a place where an animal lives. Now, there are three different kinds of habitat. Let us take them one by one. The first habitat is terrestrial habitat. Terrestrial habitat means land habitat. Now, this land can be plains, it can be desert, it can also be very cold mountain areas. All the terrestrial animals have got very strong legs. This is because they have to walk long distances. They have a very well developed nervous and circulatory system. These animals also have skin color matching their environment. So if you see the picture of a tiger usually lives in areas which has got dried grass. तो टाइगर की स्किन के साथ ड्राई ग्रास आपस में मिक्स हो जाती है. Similarly, a polar bear lives in very cold areas which are always covered with ice. A polar bear is white in color and so is the ice. Polar bear has got some additional adaptations because it has to survive in very cold areas. पोलर बेयर के अंदर स्किन के नीचे एक बहुत थिक लेयर ऑफ फैट होती है एंड बिकॉज ऑफ थिक लेयर ऑफ फैट इट डज नॉट फील कोल्ड. ऑल्सो पोलर बेयर कैन स्लीप फॉर मंथ्स टुगेदर ड्यूरिंग द वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग विंटर मंथ्स. इसकी वजह से उसको बाहर ठंड में आने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Now talking about the desert. So the desert is characterized by a camel can survive without food and water for many days. A camel has got very long eyelashes. उसका क्या benefit होता है? It does not allow the dust to enter into the camel's eye. Now, the next category of habitat that we are going to talk about is aquatic animals. Aquatic animals are the animals that live in water. They are also birds like ducks that also live in water most of the times. Let us understand about the adaptations of various aquatic animals with the help of this video. Taking the example of fish first. A fish lives inside water. A fish has got streamlined body which helps it to swim in water. It swims with the help of fins and breathes with the help of gills. A duck has got webbed feet. A duck is an aquatic bird that paddles inside the water. These webbed feet help it to paddle inside the water and stay in motion. A frog is an amphibian. That means it can survive both on land and in water. On land, a frog breathes with the help of lungs, and in water it breathes with the help of moist skin. So this is how aquatic animals have various adaptations. Now let us understand adaptation for food. Different animals have different feeding habits. Let us consider them one by one. Herbivorous animals. Herbivorous animals कौन से होते हैं? Grass eating animals, cow, deer, sheep, etc. Now they are characterized by very strong grinding teeth, as we can see in this picture. The next category of animals is carnivores. Carnivores eat flesh. They need very strong teeth to tear apart the flesh of different animals. The third type of animals are called omnivores. Omnivores matlab animals that eat both plants and animals. They have a combination of teeth. They have got sharp teeth and they have also got flat teeth. Now, there are some animals which survive on host organism. वो host की body से nutrients निकाल के उसको अपनी body को develop करने के लिए use करते हैं. The example of these organisms are mosquito, leech, hookworms, etc. and they are called parasites. So we have learned adaptation depending on habitat, adaptation depending on food habits. Now let us learn about adaptations based on protection. So some animals like the elephant are very big. The predators or the beasts like lion, tiger, etc., they get very scared of them. Some animals have got a skin color which merges with the environment. जैसे हमने बात करी थी polar bear की. पोलर बेयर वाइट होता है, बैकग्राउंड वाइट होता है, इसलिए पोलर बेयर और बैकग्राउंड मर्ज हो जाता है. दूर से पता भी नहीं लगता कि पोलर बेयर है. So this is the way animals adapt themselves to protect themselves. Now some animals like the dinosaur, dodo, the mammoth, they used to live many years ago. These animals no longer exist. आप इनको कहीं भी real life में नहीं देख सकते, सिर्फ movies में देखेंगे. These animals are called extinct animals. इसके अलावा कुछ animals आज की डेट में बहुत खतरे में हैं. These animals are called endangered animals. These animals may just finish off any time. Tiger is one of them. Panda is one of them. It is very important that we do not cut forests extensively, because by cutting forests, we are destroying the natural home of these animals. So in this chapter, we have learned how animals adapt themselves based on their habitat, their food, and to protect themselves. We have also learned how animals get extinct and what are endangered animals. Thank you so much.